Welcome to this presentation on the Express TMS Fleet Management System. This video will introduce you to the three comprehensive systems included in the Express TMS Total Fleet Management System: Safety and Compliance, Fuel Management, and Vehicle Maintenance. Safety and Compliance. Express Safety and Compliance is a comprehensive, easy-to-use system for organizing your safety department and improving overall regulatory compliance.
The Driver Compliance Tracking System allows you to set up compliance activity schedules for each driver. As items become due, notifications are sent to dispatch, ensuring everyone stays current and informed. Our accident and claims tracking systems contain advanced features for collecting detailed claim and accident information and images, while tracking involved personnel and equipment. Express also features excellent reporting, including claim histories and an up-to-date accident register. Express makes it easy to compile, store, and print driver qualification files. Once the driver's documents are in the system, they are saved for convenient, quick access at the click of a button. Fuel Management. The Express Fuel Management System contains innovative tools for accumulating fuel and mileage data, analyzing fuel efficiency, and producing IFTA returns, as well as state mileage reports. Express Fuel Management can import fuel purchase data from virtually any fuel card, while mileages can also be imported from GPS-enabled equipment, reducing your labor costs and increasing the accuracy of your fuel data. IFTA and state mileage reports can be generated within Express with absolutely no data entry necessary, ensuring timely and accurate reports every time. Vehicle Maintenance. The Express Maintenance System is capable of addressing the needs of those companies performing vehicle maintenance in-house, as well as those that don't. With our system, you can create service schedules for each vehicle in your company's fleet. As services become due, dispatch is notified to bring the truck in for service. This automatic communication enables your maintenance and dispatch personnel to keep every truck's service schedule without the need for manual tracking. Express Maintenance also has an easy-to-use system for tracking in-progress services, so everyone knows which trucks are currently unavailable. We know trucks cannot be serviced without parts. That's why our parts inventory is continuously updated as parts are received and services are completed, ensuring you always know what parts you have on hand and what needs to be ordered. The Express TMS Fleet Management System, delivering advanced tools for maximum efficiency. To see more of what Express can do for you, contact us for a demonstration. Thanks for watching.